not how long you're going to fight, as Fred Breen asked me. He said, "Bro, how long are you going to fight, and when are you going to retire?" I said, "When I'm tired." When I retire is when I retire. Not from actually boxing, the training that I go through preparing for a fight, 9 weeks away from the family, 9 weeks away from everything, 9 weeks of boot camp. Now, when I get tired of that, taking my body from 4:30 in the morning, running 5 miles, everybody that trains with me is 20 years younger. They want to get a reputation by running me in the dirt, having me breathing thrown up somewhere in the bushes. At the end of the day, I'm fighting for pride here, old guys. Anybody that's 40 and up, I know who y'all rooting for. Okay? All the ladies here are about 25 or 30, so I'm not going to get in trouble. All right? But as far as all the guys, y'all understand that if you take care of yourself, if you do the right things, have fun. Don't get me wrong. Don't mean nobody's saying don't eat a piece of cheesecake. You know? I mean, every now and then I drift. But everything. But I don't abuse it. That's all. That's all. And thanks for having me here. This is a warm welcome. I had everybody's attention. Nobody fell asleep. I've been watching to the left and the right. December 18th, I'll be the second. I'm going to remind everybody, God willing, I'll be the second fighter in boxing history, which is over 100 years, since the Jack Johnson days, since the L. Sutherland days when he's fighting like this. The second fighter in history that ever won a title, which is 3 on the line come December 18th, behind the great George Foreman Grill. God bless you, thank you, and be healthy.